That thing is bright. Sheesh. Brian Myers here with Hahn Systems Hahn Talk, another version of Hahn Talk from Hahn Systems, just like I said. But we're here with Makita. Ryan with Makita is with us today. Welcome, Ryan. How are you?
Thank you. Doing good.
Good. So Hahn Systems here in New Haven is a Makita Pro Center. And what does a Pro Center mean?
Well, a Pro Center,
Other than that, we're really cool at Hahn Systems, right?
they're their best top dealers.
We're
for
bussing.
Sure. They're bussing.
We're bussing.
They're our top key dealers. It's an initial buy-in. They get these wonderful displays. They're special displays for the Pro Center.
How many Pro Centers are there in Indiana?
In Indiana, I believe there's only 4 in the state. There are 3 in my territory that I cover.
All right.
You guys have it gives you access to our best pricing.
Yep.
You're required to have a variety of inventory from each of our categories, which they obviously do. So they're a big deal, and they're an important account for us, for sure.
So we're always bringing on the latest and the greatest from Makita. We have it in stock. We have all their cordless.
New
You
40
can't
volt
see
platform.
everything, but I mean stuff's stacked to the roof in here. So all their new 40 volt, all the new outdoor power stuff is here in stock. Compressors, pneumatics, everything's lighting in stock. Ready to go. Hahn Systems. We're here in our New Haven Super Center showroom. Pro Center featuring Makita Pro Center, Super Center, Hahn Systems. Come check us out.